So we have 9 take away 5 here, and we have our 100 square. So we've looked at the 9, we know it's got 9 ones, which is here. So we're subtracting the 1s. Now we're not just taking away the 10s because there aren't any. So we're just doing little jumps of 1. So doing 5 jumps, aren't we? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 9 take away 5 equals 4. Next one we have 23 take away 6. So we look at 23. At 23 we're doing jumps of 1 again. We're not doing away any 10s because there aren't any. So we're at 23, so we do 1, 2. Now when we get to 21, we go backwards to 20, so that is 3, 4, 5, 6. We've landed on number 17, so 23 take away 6 is 17. Now we have 42 take away 19. So we look at 42, and we're doing subtracting the 1s first. So we're at 42. We've got to 41, so that's 1 jump. So remember, we go all the way back to 40. So that's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now we know that we've done 1, and rather than counting 1s, we could just do one big jump of 8 there, because 1 at 8 equals 9, so it's a big jump of 8, we get to 33. So then we can take away the 10s now, because we've got a 10 to take away. Now, when we are counting back in 10s or forwards, remember it goes above or below. So because we're taking away 10, we're going back up 1. So if you look at the 3, we've got 3 10s, we've taken a 10 away, now we've got 2 10s. So 42 take away 19 is 23. So now we've got 62, which is down here, and we are taking 44 away. Now we're going to take the 1s first. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're at 58. Now we're taking 4 10s away. So remember, we're going to go backwards. We're going to go up in 10, because if we take away 1 10 from 58, it makes 48, then 38, 28, 18. So we've done 4 10s. So 62 take away 44 is 18. Now I've put this big thing here because if you took 4 10s away, we'd know that 5 10s take away 4 10s equals 1 10. So you just do one big jump with 40 there. For the final one, we've got 83 take away 57. So we're going to start off at 83. And we're taking away 7 1s first. So 1, 2, big jump, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now we're taking away the 10s. So we've got 5 10s. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 10s. Again, I know that 5 10s is 50. So 7 10s take away 5 10s is 2 10s. So I could just do a big jump of 50 if I wanted to. So now I'm on 26, so 83 take away 57 equals 26.